Hi everyone, as the summer is over and the students are returning back to school, let's continue our Kyrgyz learning adventure. My name is Bakyt and I'll be helping you in this process. Today's topic will be dedicated to national games. We're going to learn about popular Kyrgyz traditional games. The first game that we're going to discuss is the game of Kökbörü. It's a horseback riding competition where two teams consisting of 12 players compete in throwing a dead sheep or a goat into their opponent's well on the playing field. The well's name is referred as Tai Kazan, where Tai means the goat and the Kazan means a pot. Let's know more about the legend of the game. Kökbörü, which translated as the Grey Wolf, has its roots in the ancient past. During the periods when family elders went to go hunt for prey to feed their families and cattle remained under the supervision of youngers, the wolves oftentimes attacked it and caused a lot of issues. After returning from the hunt, angry men would go to chase after the wolf pack. Having caught up with the pack, they would pick up the running wolves from the ground, throwing them between each other almost playfully. Back then, the primary objective was training for fighting and learning warrior tactics. However, now it became a sport. The red team had won by scoring 3 scores at the end of the game. Kızıl top oyunun akırında 3 upayı girgizip utup aldı. After the end of a game, 2 participants were injured. Oyunun ayağında 2 katışucu jarakat aldı. The game of Kökbörü requires good physical training and good horse riding skills. Kökbörü oyunu жақсы физикалық даярдыкты жана жақсы ат үстүндө алып жүрүүчү сапаттарды талап кылат. Here, the word at means a horse. So, the second game would be the game Ordo. It's one of the most widespread games in Kyrgyzstan, having survived from ancient times to the present day. The word Ordo refers to the general headquarters of Khan's palace. The word Khan goes as a king in a similar fashion. The game itself reproduces the fight to conquer the general headquarters. So the main objective is to knock out as many chukos, small knuckle bones located in a circle, using another chuko from a circle. Now, let's take our own chuko and try to knock out the practice tasks. Saykal loves playing Ordo. Saykal Ordo ойногонду жакшы көрөт. They've been playing Ordo since 5 years. Алар Ордону 5 жашынан бери ойноп келишет. Темирбек does not know the rules of Ordo. Темирбек Ordo erejelerin bilbeyt. Next game would be the intellectual game, Тогуз Коргол. In the game, each player has 9 wells and each well has 9 korgols, small round pieces. From there arises the game's name, where Тогуз means 9. The goal of the game is to collect as many korgols as possible. The word korgol translates as sheep droppings. The main difference between Тогуз Коргол and other nomadic games is that in the game, each player leaves 1 stone in the starting well during each play. There's a reflection of the idea of saving the paternal center of social life of nomadic Turkic people. Awesome! Bring your Тогуз Корголs and take a sit and have a practice game. Begayim is good at playing Тогуз Коргол. Begayim Тогуз Корголду абдан жакшы ойнойт. People who play Тогуз Коргол are usually smart. Тогуз Корголду ойногон адамдар акылдуу келет. We learned how to play Тогуз Коргол at high school. Биз Тогуз Корголду ойногонду мектепте үйрөндүк. Great job so far. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and it was useful for you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. And if you think this lesson was useful, you may like it, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned, we want you to learn. Görüşkənçə.